Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn $1,000 per month easy and fast. If you're still struggling to make money online, or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So in this video, I will show you how to make money online the easiest way. Today, I will tell you about one of the best and easiest ways to make $1,000 per month. So, suppose you have financial goals. Then, making $1,000 a month will help you reach your goals more quickly. I know you have a lot of questions, and the first one is probably that, can you really make $1,000 a month? It would take time and work to get there. But it's not impossible though. Whether you work full-time or are a stay-at-home parent, there are two ways to quickly earn $1,000 per month. One, work for yourself, and two, Amazon affiliate marketing. You have nothing to worry about. Stay with me and I will explain everything in detail. 1. Freelancing as a freelance writer is the only way for you to make at least $1,000 a month. You don't need any technical skills to do these jobs. You just begin right now. But practice helps you get better. If you've never written an article before, I suggest that you start reading articles on Google to see how other people do it. The best thing to do is to start a blog or write on Medium. After a while, you will be able to offer these services on freelance websites like Fiverr and Upwork. 2. Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon is my favorite, by the way. Amazon is an online store that sells almost $1 trillion worth of goods. You'll need a website if you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing. If not, you might have a lot of trouble. Believe me, as Amazon affiliate marketers, millions of people make millions of dollars every single month. And one will ask, how does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is now the easiest way to make money by promoting someone else's product or service. When someone buys something through one of your links, you get a commission. So the way to do it is very easy. Go to the Amazon Associates program, sign up for an account, choose your niche or topic, and then make a website like Wirecutter, which is a great example of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.